Checking out this Comprilan. So this is a non-stretchable bandage. So this is pretty useful. They come with these little clips, but I often just use tape when I'm applying these. So think of this as like a sock material that's in a strip. So you can use this over and over. You can get sometimes 50 uses out of this, depending on how well you're able to use it. They come in different heights and they come in different lengths, depending on what you're going to use it for. So this is a non-stretchable. It has just a little bit of stretch, but that's it. It will not stretch. So unlike a standard ACE bandage, which is designed to offer quite a bit of elasticity, this is great for compression wounds or compression wrappings. So this is a really handy option to have. There's instructions in the box on how to use. You can use these. I use them mostly just to keep the roll wound up, and I'll use tape when it's applied to the body. All right, hope this helps.